Yeah, the countess, please.
¿Qué va a pasar mañana? Cuando atienda la luz que me llama. Mami, mi futuro me reclama.
What up, Buzz fan? We back with another Beers Box video. I'm Casey.
It's Court.
Got Gorillaz back in the track.
Yeah, Manifesto featuring Trueno Proof. I was not expecting this from the Gorillaz.
No, not at all. Like this is like totally different kind of vibe than I'm used to. I mean, the music video right on par.
Yeah.
But like the sound and everything, that's the way that's coming in. It's pretty crazy. All right, Buzz fam, if you guys are new here, welcome. Go check out some other Gorillaz. Let us know what from their new album what we should check out.
Oh yeah.
Drop a comment down below and let's do it.
Let's go.
Yo no sé qué va a pasar mañana. Cuando atienda la luz que me llama. Mami, mi futuro me reclama. Camino hacia la luz. I have nothing to lose. Dice, yeah. Crucé la puerta y hoy me siento libre. Dejé el pasado y me fijé en lo simple. Solo dame 21 gramos para sentirme firme. Y yo te dejo mi legado antes de irme. Cada paso una enseñanza. Sigo con...
All right, Buzz fam. Obviously, you can see that the subtitles don't want to be helping us out here. So you're going to have to help us out in the comments down below. Let us know what they're saying. Because at this point, we just vibing.
Yeah.
And it's pretty dope.
Libre, dejé el pasado y me fijé en lo simple. Solo dame 21 gramos para sentirme firme. Y yo te dejo mi legado antes de irme. Cada paso una enseñanza. Sigo con confianza tan rápido que el tiempo no me alcanza. No busco alabanza, menos falsas esperanzas. Descansa, como cuando estabas en la panza y despierta. Toma la carta en el asunto para poder mirar la vida en diferentes puntos. Pregunto, ¿qué habrá en ese mundo que viene después del mundo? Lo bueno es que vamos todos juntos. Yo voy con mis valores, también florezco regando las flores. Me llevo los aromas y los colores, hago que el cielo se enamore. Y si las nubes lloran, que no lloren. Tengo a los árboles de profesores, me encanta sentir el viento. Subir la montaña sin aliento. Al final lo que importa es el intento. Solo...
My man's flow is nice.
Man, I know.
Yo, we going in on this thing.
Definitely.
And he got all them different vibes coming through,
Hell
like the
yeah,
different sounds.
man.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Got that reggaeton, you know.
Yeah.
Like the Gorillaz actually doing like a reggaeton, type of, instrumental. That's dope, though, Hell yeah.
Me acompañan mis hazañas, mi virtud y mis sentimientos para escribir la parte 2 del cuento. Yo no sé qué va a pasar mañana. Yo no sé. No entiendo la luz que me llama. A mí mi futuro me reclama. Camino hacia la luz. Camino. I have nothing to lose. Camino hacia la luz, man. Camino hacia la luz, man.
The mountain, it is high. Yeah, the mountain said, so the mountain cried. Thank God the brave day. The mountain stays on still. Don't lose yourself. If you don't stop now, then you're never gonna be done living under your gilded sun.
Man. Just like the way that whole thing comes, like,
Yeah, man. I know, man.
it just flows so well.
Hell yeah, man.
The Gorillaz always got this extra, like, different sound too, right? Like,
Yeah. Yeah, man. Like man. It's just like all the stuff that I've heard from them, man. Like whether it was like
Clint
them
Eastwood
featuring Dell, the Funky Homo Sapien, to the one that they had with De La Show.
Yep.
So, that sugar, ooh, ooh, like that one right there. And
Yeah.
then, man. And then, yeah, man. And then like on this vibe right here is just like, man, yeah, dude. Like they just like get into like all types of different bags, man.
Living under your gilded sun. On the mountain.
S.T. R. Yeah. Con Gorillaz. Yeah. Desde Inglaterra hasta Argentina. Yeah.
sun. On the
You gonna
mountain.
get like a full beat switch?
Oh, looking like it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah.
Never seen a killer with fangs and millimeters that bang and killers teachers piss slang and still I reach.
Yo, that's like the late proof.
Yeah, I was.
Yo, man, like I'm Eminem's boy proof.
Yeah.
Like I'm Eminem's,
okay, yeah.
you know. Yeah.
Well, I was gonna say like.
Yeah, man. I wasn't. Yeah.
Yeah, I was not expecting that for sure.
Yeah.
It kind of gave me like a little bit of like the Four Owls or the like Rhyme Asylum kind of like vibe, like the way he came into the track.
Yeah, man.
But like, dang.
But
Did they get it? Like
Proof-
they had a verse from him for a long time, or did they get it from somebody?
Yeah, man. That's what I'm wondering though, man, because it's just like I know, you know, like he's like past, I think what, like
been
in
a while.
2017 or
Yeah, it's been a while.
yeah, or something like that. Yeah.
Killer with fangs and millimeters that bang and killers teachers piss slang and still I reach ya. Y'all ain't ready for death until I show the whole breath until you blow the one set my niggas throw up. How many times I gotta prove you're not to test me? This ooze can be deadly slugs move through your chest piece. It's all reality. Beefing with your block, got you creeping with your Glock. Now you sleeping in the box. No one can convince the invincible to be sensible. Bits in the principle.
Nobody can convince the invincible to be just the raw grittiness of it. Like, damn.
No one can convince the invincible to be sensible. Bits in the principle. My pistol won't miss you all. Why shouldn't I diss you, dog? I'm Leatherface. This E and J made me say your DNA's genetic waste. A medic case that'll detonate. Dirty Harry.
This E and J made me
says that your DNA is genetic waste. Ah, man.
Coming in some Dirty Harry.
Your DNA's genetic waste. A medic case that'll detonate. Dirty Harry. A pathetic taste that shroom head that murder fairies. A recovering heroin addict looking down the barrel of my parents' attic. Got this shotgun just swearing at it. My triggers have turned up.
And then he plays that whole thing. He doubles the whole thing with like a drug scheme, right? Like all the different things, and you out here swerving and like all this shit. Like that's crazy.
Yeah.
Looking down the barrel of a heroin addict and all this stuff. Like,
Yeah.
Of my parents' attic, got this shotgun just swearing at it. My triggers have turned a pump into a Uzi. You chumps do that movement, y'all jump inside movies. Y'all scary dudes that hide behind your niggas, confide inside a squiller and die beneath a river. My urban strikes are not. Oh, I'm just fucking. All right, come on, let's go. Let go, ya. Entro rompiendo la puerta. Acá no tenemos miedo, le estamos pegando la vuelta. Paso por
like,
That was like dope how they mixed that up in there, man. That is like
dude.
really cool.
100% the way he
Yeah.
came dropping back into this. That was dope.
Let go, ya. Entro rompiendo la puerta. Acá no tenemos miedo, le estamos pegando la vuelta. Paso portales que mata mortales. Con tales que el mundo revienta. Ti tiembla la placa tectónica, suena la armónica.
I know I can't understand a dang thing he's saying, man, but this dude has an incredible cadence, an incredible delivery, man.
Breath control's
Damn.
on point too, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mata mortales con tales que el mundo revienta. Ti tiembla la placa tectónica, suena la armónica, rinden la cuenta. Te reúno, te saca la venda pa' que veas que la realidad no está en venta. Sigo buscando el final del túnel. Busco esa luz que al final nos une. Solo los buenos son los que suben, las armas levitando como el volumen. Solo uno más en el cardumen. Busco la paz todos los lunes. Soy de los que asumen a su mentira, de los que respiran cuando no hay perfume.
This was dope.
You're not alone, you're not even close. You're open, then you're closed, then you're open. You're not alone, you're not alone, you're not even close. You're true, then you're untrue, then you're true again. Automatic now. Only automatic now. Only automatic now. Only automatic now. Slow release pills. You take them today. You take them for tomorrow. Automatic now. Take them for tomorrow. Only automatic now. Only automatic now.
Man,
That's crazy.
this was an incredible mix of a song, man. Like really, man. I mean, wow.
It was really well produced
Wow,
as
it's
well,
like
right?
really
Like
well
it was
put
really
together.
well put together. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys are new here, appreciate y'all. Join the Buzz fan by hitting the subscribe button. Let us know what other Gorillaz tracks that we need to check out from this new album, because like the way this coming in with all these different elements and stuff, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what else they got out there.
Yeah, and we'll see you on the next one, y'all.
Peace.